Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I really hope guys that the videos we keep uploading are helping you out. We are still continuing. We are doing the sixth question. Um, if this is the first video guys you come across whereby I answer the IEP May-June 2024, please note that there are 5 videos ahead of this. So just click the link on the description. It will take you to the playlist, and then you listen to the videos in sequence. Try to rewrite the paper and compare your answers with mine. If there are things you're not sure about, please do not be scared to comment. Okay. Question 6. You take out a home loan for 1,500,000 that needs to be repaid monthly over a period of 20 years. The interest rate of the loan is 11% per annum compounded monthly. The first payment is made one month after the loan is granted. What is the minimum monthly repayment that needs to be made to pay off the loan? What do I have here? I do have the present value. Why am I saying I have a present value? Because this amount of money is present right now. Are you together? So I'm simply going to use the present value formula for me to calculate my installment. Yes, I know that maybe you guys were told that if it's a loan, it's just present value. If it's future value, if it's an investment, it's just future value. No, you just follow the money. Sometimes you are given a loan. You are told that in a scenario we are dealing with a loan. However, you use a future value. Are you together? Why? Because you are not given the money which is present right now. But let's just get into this thing now. I do have the present value, which is just 1.5 million. I don't know my monthly installment, and that's what I'm looking for. I know the interest. I'm told that it's 11% per annum compounded monthly. I'll take the 11% and divide it by 100. I'll simply get 0.11. Since it's compounded monthly, I'll divide by 12. Are you together? I'm told that my interest is calculated every month, so which simply means that M is equal to 12, and I'm given the number of years to be equal to 20. For me to find N, N is simply M multiplied by Y, which is 12 times 20. What do I get? 12 times 20 is 240. So N is equal to 240. The only unknown that I have is X. So for me to calculate, I just simply need to substitute everything here. The present value is 1,500,000 is equal to X. 1 plus, no, it's not 1 plus, it's 1 minus 1 over 12 to the power negative 240, 0.11 over 12. So therefore X is equal to, I'll simply say 1.5 million multiplied by 0.11 divided by 12 all over the bracket, which is 1 minus 1 plus 0.11 divided by 12 all raised to the power negative 240. I find my X to be equal to 15,482 rands 83 cents. 15,482 rands 53 cents. Okay, now I'm asked to determine the balance of the loan at the end of the 9th year after the payment at the point in time it was made. Okay, how many payments have I made? I know that X is equal to 15,482.83, né? N is equal to 12 multiplied by 9, because I've already made payments for 9 consecutive years. 12 times 9 is simply 108. Okay, for me to calculate the outstanding loan balance, guys, there are two ways, né? But I always prefer the one that says the outstanding loan balance is equal to A minus future value. This one always works, because sometimes you're not given the full period of the investment. If you're going to use the present value, if you want to use the present value formula, you will be challenged, because you won't be given the full amount, the full duration of the loan. Are you together? But I like this one because it always works. This one always works, no matter what. Okay, remember that A is just the value of the interest. I mean, it's the compound interest formula, right? 1 plus I to the power n, and then FV is our future value. X 1 plus I minus 1 over I. Are you together? So in both of these formulas, n will be the same, 108. The principal amount will be the original value of the loan, and then X is what we just calculated. N is simply 108. So whenever I substitute here, I'll simply say 1,500,000, 1 plus 0.11 over 12 all raised to the power 108 minus the value of X is 15,482.83. I have 1 plus 0.11 over 12 all raised to the power 108. This will give me the outstanding loan balance. Excuse me, let me punch my precious calculator. I have 150000. If you are new to the channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe. 15482.83. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you do appreciate the content. Oh yeah, so many calculations. Okay, the outstanding amount of the loan, guys, I found for the outstanding amount of the loan, I found 1,182,585.03. This is how much was outstanding after the end of the 9th year. Are you together? A further question would be like, calculate the interest, the total interest paid over for. They'll say calculate the total interest paid for the first 9 years. Calculating interest, guys, is simple, isn't it? It's simple. There are 4 steps in calculating interest. Step number 1, you must find your outstanding loan balance. Step number 2, you must find the paid amount of the loan. You must find the paid amount. The paid amount of the loan. How do you do that? You take your present value, your initial amount, which was 1.5, and then you subtract your outstanding loan balance. Then thirdly, you must find the sum of all payments. Basically, take x multiplied by n. In this case, it will be our x multiplied by 108. All right, together. Then the final step will therefore say interest. Interest is equal to step number 3 minus step number 2. Always the time, ne? The first thing you do is to calculate your outstanding loan balance. Second thing you do, find the paid amount of the loan. The third thing you do, the sum of all your payments. And then to calculate your interest, you just need to say step number 3 minus step number 2. That will be the value of your total interest paid over the period of 9 years. Should we do it? Nah, you got this, guys. You got this. If it's giving you problems, just write on the comment sections. I'll do it for you. Bye.